Yes, we are back, and for today's tutorial we're going to be seeing how we come up with the data types. We get to know what of each of the data types in Microsoft Access, what many people term as database, what they are used for. So let's get started. But before that, don't forget to keep watching until the end. Yes, I thank you for that. Like and comment as well. But first and foremost, we'll create our database. As you see, you come here, this is the blank. The recent video shows that of Access. So let me try to recap a bit. You'll try to create one here as you see it. So here it's where we put a name and we call it first. We'll call it first database, DB database. Then here you may direct it to the file, to the folder where it's going to be. As we browse our folder that we want, in documents, you put it in documents, its location where I want it to be. Then you save, and you press on create. So we are inside what we call a database. So we'll have to go here where you see this design view, called the design view here, and then we create, this is the table. We continue with that one. We may call it students. Okay, and here we are. This is the students. So we'll try to put in the first part here that you see. It's what we call the students. Call this students ID. Student ID. And by the way, in this Access, things of space, let me show you something here. Things of space, at times they disturb a bit, so it's better we use the underscore. The underscore, how to get it? That's a minor. You'll press the shift key on your keyboard, then press where you see minus next to equals, that's the underscore. Then we also put the student's name, we'll be eager to know their age. Obviously we'll be able to know their class. What else? Gender. Come on, tell me, what else can you do? Sorry. What else? Come on, tell me. What else can we include in? But before age, what we're going to do for age, because age is generated from something what we call the date of birth. Date of birth, I will call it DOB. DOB, date of birth. That's where we may generate the age. What else can we include here? Class. May include like class teacher or teacher. Class teacher. Now when you try to see, now these are what we call the data types. These are what we call the data types. We have the autumn number, we have short text, long text, number, large numbers, date and time, extended currency, yes or no. This one is like criteria. We use it here where you have yes, or you may put a yes or no. Then hyperlink, attachments, lookup wizard. The mostly that I used auto number, yes or no, currency, date and time, numbers, large numbers, not so much commonly, plus text. Yeah, it's also used. So with name, we'll try to put long text. We put short text. Then sorry, this is supposed to be, I put short text. I'll show you that when we are using auto number, how we may do it. I will come up to use auto number to generate when this when the student's number automatically generate one by one. We should try using it. Yes, how do you see that? Let me see. Then short DOB, this one is going to be date and time. What do you think class will be? I think here, class, short text. Then what do you think gender will be? Here we come. So for gender, what we are going to do, we are going to use what we say, the lookup wizard, since it's going to be a yes or no. So you come here and you press on lookup wizard. We click, I'll type the values I want, you press next, and you type the values, whereby we'll have a male, then we'll have a female also. Then even though you just press next, then you just finish. Then the class teachers, you may also put lookup wizard. So we call this teacher as a short form. Well, teacher Steven. Another one to be teacher. Tell me. Yes, Eddie. Who else? Teacher. Can't forget this guy. Frank. Teacher. I can believe it's supposed to be the first one. Who else? Maria. Who else? Let's make it 4. Let's make them 4. So we just finish. Now we are done with this. So here we have what we call description. The description here, yeah. But now this one you may describe what's the data all about. Like, as you hear, it's description, but it's optional. As you see, it's optional. So if for class, what we come up to generals, we'll put the size, field size that you want, maybe around 25, just like that. Then when you come to gender, you may also put its field size format. Already put it, and all these are just validation role, validation text, required, it's yes or no. Some are not all that needed to change, most of them. Then even the class, no need. Then we come to DOB, whereby DOB we will want to be either age, should it be in general, like date and time as well, or it should be along date, month, date, and then the year, or if not that, should it be a short date, should it be a medium or time, what should we use? Let's use short date. You see now what I was telling you about format. Even here where you see class, you can specify, but since the student text may leave it relevant, here we come for automatic number, auto number, where I'll have auto number, and I want it to be 0 0 0. Since it's going to be automatic, it will insert itself automatic. You do that, and then erase the first one. You put a primary key, and if it's not having a primary key, let me show you. If it's not having a primary key, it's just like this, you will come here and click primary key. Boom, there we go, and it's on. You see it very well, and it's on now without hesitation. Without hesitation. Yeah. Then we are now good to go. The reason as to why I put this, if you try to see, this is going to be auto number. Then we are now good to go. You view. That's going to be, oh, you need to first save our table. Yes, I'll save it now. There it is. As I told you, you will see this is our data that we're inputting. This automatically dropped itself here. We didn't type it there, so we can also put it's what? It's date, what we call DOB, date of birth. You You can just click here and select the date of birth that you want. Understand? But just because it's going to be tiresome, you'll have to do what? Move it. You just instead type it. There you go. Then you put the class. You put that your one. Then we go to gender. Watch this. You see that? Male or female? Only female, a male, sorry. You see also this? Then you put that. We got the second one. Watch critically. We see that. Boom. Once we start, there we go. It definitely types itself a student's ID without me typing on it. That's what we call automatic or auto number in database. That's a data type that does that. So we continue. Click with date of birth. Just instead I see what I do. You have to be critical. Database with database. I made here mistake. And you come here. Then there we go. Here too. She's a female, so you can just do that and then you boom tab. And once you call the teacher and see that he's the one, then you tab. Yes, we see that. We call this one. Yeah. I hope that's a spelling. No. It's not. Yes, there we go. Then we put the date of birth. 60s. Oh. She's a female. I hope you see that, guys. I hope you see that. Do you see how database is easy? Just only this and boom, you're done. Do you see that? I hope you do so. Boom. There we go. This guy is a man. Oh. Maybe I'll end on this one. I thank you for watching. and I'll have to see you in the next tutorial. But don't forget, please and please like, comment, and click on that notification bell for more updates coming in. I'll be hopefully waiting for you.